Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question if you can have two different fingerprint readers installed on a Windows 11 system. I guess this is not only for Windows 11, this is also for Windows 10 and all the upcoming Windows systems. So can we use two of them at the same time or alternately? So here I have two mice with fingerprint readers to unlock the Windows and do much more. I have installed both of them and set up fingerprints in the Windows Hello for both of them, and it didn't ask for anything like which mouse it was. For both of them I just went to account, sign in options, add another finger, click on that, and then we can start adding new fingerprints. Doesn't matter for which mouse it is, even when we have attached both of them. So I'm going to unlock this computer here, and I'm starting first with the Lenovo, and I touch here 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's unlocked, and so I lock it here again, and so without doing anything I just use the fingerprint reader of the Dell mouse now. 1, 2, 3. And it's also unlocked, so absolutely no difference, no setting to change. So it looks like we could also remove one, attach the other one, or have both here, doesn't matter. The only restriction which I have found is that when we have added a fingerprint for a certain finger on one of the mice, we cannot use the same finger then automatically on the other mouse. That's not possible. We also have to add it here, so they are not interchangeable, because of course they are probably using different sensors and then they leave a little bit different image or so. So if you want to use same finger on both of the readers, you have to add them on both of the devices or both of the mice. So that's it. And by the way, I have already made a comparison between these two mice and also the fingerprint reader, and if you are interested to watch this video, I'll add the link to this video also down into the description of the video, and also the links to both of these mice. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.